Hey there! As those of you who've been following me on social media know, I recently moved houses in case you couldn't tell from the huge mess in the background. And as I promised my folks on social media, today I'm going to start sharing a video series on lessons I learned from moving and how you can apply it to your business so you can save time, make more sales, and generally have a smoother, more profitable business. So today I'm going to talk about something that actually helped me to make more sales and something I was reminded of during the move, and that is don't make assumptions about the people in your network. Today I've got a little guest star who's going to help me illustrate this point. Hello, Brandi. Now, when we first started our move, we had certain expectations about how the cats were going to respond. Brandi here in my lap, we thought she was going to take it pretty well because she tends to be bold, curious, assertive. So we figured she was going to think this is a new adventure. Oh, all these new rooms to check out. Our other cat, Spotted Leaf, the smaller, fluffier, rounder one, we thought this was going to mentally snap her for a while because she is delicate, shy, very routine oriented. When I tried to move her food from the basement to upstairs, she took forever to figure out that she's being fed upstairs now. So we thought she was going to have a lot of struggle with this. Well, as it turns out, Spotted calmly settled into the process of making the new house smell like her, while Brandi lost her crap, screamed like a metronome all the way here, screamed throughout the night, kept my siblings up while Mom and I went back for the rest of the stuff. She's struggled with this, which is a lesson for us in business, because I've had similar experiences in business. There was one person I met who, she wasn't a coach. I didn't think she was in my target audience. But we were on the same networking call week after week. We got to know each other. I expressed interest in what she was doing. It offered some tips. She wound up hiring me to rewrite part of her website. Another person, I didn't figure she needed my help because she already had a course. But then I got to talking with her and explored her situation. And turns out, while she did have a course, she wanted to up-level it, and I gave her an idea for another course, which she wants me to help her create. So in your networking, don't make assumptions about who does and does not need you. Yes, focus your efforts on the people who are the most likely to buy from you, but also be open to making relationships with other people because you never know who's going to need your help, who you'll need their help, who you'll need help from, or who might be able to connect you with people who need your help. So that's the first lesson in this series on lessons moving taught me and how you can apply them to your business. I hope it was helpful. If it was, please leave a comment. And I look forward to seeing you in the next video.